Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 27th National Youth Festival at Nasik in Maharashtra today. During his day-long visit to Maharashtra, the Prime Minister will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of multiple development projects worth over 30,500 crore rupees. The US and the UK have jointly launched massive military strikes against Iran-backed militant group Houthis in Yemen. Entire North India is reeling on the severe cold wave conditions. IMD has forecast that cold to severe cold wave conditions will continue in isolated pockets of Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana today. In cricket, India defeated Afghanistan by 6 wickets in first T20 of 3-match series in Mohali last night.